Hello students, friends and my dear teachers. Myself Gurpreet Singh, I am a chemistry teacher. So what is there in this video? So it is not the chemistry part, it would be something different. So when this lockdown has started, then at times it was having a strong feeling that everything has been stopped. And now at this point of time that there is a strong feeling that when shall this be over. So everyone is stuck in the home and we are not coming on to the normalcy. So at times I had that sort of negative energy in me and in my family that everyone is inside. At that point of time I started reviving my old hobbies. So that gave me a very positive energy. So my hobbies had been playing tabla, then listening to Sufi music, classical music. I love cooking at times, and I love driving different types of cars. Then there are always I always have a love for reading different types of books. And to add on to this, I love seeing anything constructed. That is also a sort of hobby. So what you shall be seeing in this particular video, I am playing a bit of tabla along with my niece. She's a 8th class student and a beautiful singer, very pleasant sound, very pleasant voice, and she is reciting Shabad kirtan, and I am trying my level best to match my tabla with quality of perfection. Now, what I would suggest you or request you that all of you, whether you are a student, kid, or my friends or teachers, do focus on your hobbies, because in this material I never got an opportunity to professionally learn tabla, but one of my friend and small school teacher might have helped me in giving some tips how to play a tabla. Then I did lot of practice of its own. My fingers work on that, and then never got a time to actually religiously practice it, because in this materialistic fast life it somehow got disconnected. So discontinued, rather I would say. And now in this lockdown period I got a time, I sort of a refresh button come into the life, that I started focusing on that. So in this video you shall be seeing some clippings which where I am playing a tabla. Hope you like it, and I would. I would want that if you can comment or write anything. If you like it, then it would be a sort of quite a motivating thing for me, and it would drive me to push more such videos where I can share my hobbies, I can share my feelings, I can share my subject along with this personal take. So hope you would like this and would subscribe to my channel. Bye, thank you, take care, and please enjoy your hobbies along with your studies. Bye, see you, take care.